Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi here with Weather in a Minute. It is Thursday, the 12th of June. A hot day ahead. You notice on the satellite loop, we're at least starting out the day with sunshine, but there are some clouds rolling up through Lake Ontario, westward across Michigan. There's a frontal boundary that is running from there northeastward into upstate New York and Maine, and that frontal boundary is going to be dropping southward today. It's not a strong one, but there's enough instability and daytime heating that there is the chance that we could see some isolated thunderstorms and maybe even an isolated severe thunderstorm or two this afternoon into this evening. And that's why the Storm Prediction Center has drawn in this sort of smallish area of marginal risk across eastern and northeastern Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey, and the southernmost parts of the lower Hudson Valley to about New York City and maybe touching western Long Island. So just bear that in mind. I think for most of you today, it'll be a rain-free day. We're just going to have that risk as we move into the afternoon and evening hours. And at least as of this morning, radars are definitely nice and quiet. So there are going to be some changes. We've got Father's Day weekend coming up, and Mother's Day was a great weather day, but this weekend is not going to be that good. It's not going to be a complete washout from start to finish, but we are going to have some showery rain issues to deal with. This weather front is going to pass through and slide to the south and just slowly come to a grinding halt, probably somewhere across Maryland and Virginia and points westward. And then we're going to start to see a series of waves rippling along that frontal boundary. We're also going to begin to see an increase in an onshore flow. We'll start to see it to some extent tomorrow with temperatures that will be uh, in the 70s closer to the coast and maybe some low and middle 80s as you go inland. And I think we'll have some sun on Friday, but then Friday night, Saturday into Sunday, you can see the European generating showery rains that'll be coming through from time to time. There will be some dry periods in between, but it is not going to be a nice dry weekend straight through. And this on and off showery pattern probably continues for the first part of next week. And we'll have to wait for maybe later next week to get a real change as a stronger weather front comes through sometime around, let's say, next Wednesday night or Thursday.